Hello from the MUSUBI Kitchen in Japan. I'm Timoa. Have you ever tried matcha latte? Matcha latte is so delicious and it's incredibly popular all over the place right now. Today I am going to show you to make 4 different ways to make matcha latte at home. We will cover hot, iced, plus a couple of my own special twists. So stick around till the end. So first, let's take a look at the tools that you need. You can make matcha latte with a bowl, mug, whisk, and a spoon. But if you really want smooth, authentic, and café-style matcha latte, I highly recommend using Tosen bamboo whisk. A Tosen helps the matcha dissolve beautifully, creating a creamy, lump-free finish. We also have one more item we like to introduce, this Katakuchi matcha bowl from Tosen Kiln. It was made in Kyoto in the Kyo-ware pottery style, known for its elegance and refined beauty. Delicate weeping cherry blossom design decorate the bowl, making it one of the most popular pieces. Thanks to the spout, it's easy to pour your matcha directly into a cup or glass without any mess. And visually, it's stunning, adding a graceful touch to any kitchen table. I personally enjoy pairing it with a matching Tosen Latte, a whisk holder, which features the same Sakura motif. Alright, let's start with the classic iced matcha latte. Fill a glass with plenty of ice. In a small bowl, sift 3 grams of matcha powder to remove any lumps. Add a little hot water, about 80 Celsius or 175 Fahrenheit, and whisk thoroughly with a Tosen until smooth. If you don't have a Tosen, you can stir carefully with a spoon or small whisk, adding the water gradually. Pour the matcha over the ice and milk in your glass. Optional, add a dash of vanilla syrup for sweeter flavor. Next up, let's move on to the hot matcha latte. The steps are almost the same. Whisk the matcha with hot water, then pour some steamed milk. It's creamy, comforting, and perfect for those moments you just want to relax. Transfer the matcha into a heat-resistant glass cup. Warm the milk in a saucepan, then carefully pour the steamed milk over the matcha. Like this, it's so creamy and smooth, no lumps at all. The key to delicious matcha is 1. Sifting the matcha to avoid any lumps. 2. Finding the right balance between milk and matcha. Now that you mastered a perfect matcha, let's move on to some fun and creative varieties. First, the matcha white chocolate latte. Simply melt some white chocolate mixed with whisked matcha and warm milk, and then top it off with a whipped cream. A sprinkle of a shaped white chocolate makes extra elegant. This rich and creamy drink is the ultimate treat for a cozy afternoon. First, grab your white chocolate and chop it up on cutting board. Next, toast or chop pieces into a mug. Now, pour in the matcha, then add the warm milk. And here's my summer favorite, mango matcha iced latte. Just add a splash of mango juice to your iced matcha latte for a tropical twist. The green and yellow layer are so vibrant and refreshing. Perfect for summer days. Top it up with sparkling water. And finally, pour in the matcha. How'd you like it? I hope you give it a try at home. And please share your thoughts in a comment below. On the MUSUBI channel, we'll keep bringing you more delicious recipes from Japan, along with the story of traditional Japanese craftsmanship and the passion of the makers behind them. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.